Hello guys, this is Nancy. Today I'm going to show you this Gucci backpack. Okay. Now let's begin. The item number of this Gucci bag is 547834. Okay, first now let's check the box of this Gucci bag. This is the box we provide. Very nice box. Gucci here. Okay, it is the new box. Okay, so now I will show you the details of this bag. Okay, first let's check the front of this bag. We find a front pocket here. Yes, a very big front pocket with white Gucci logo here. And this is the stripe, the Gucci stripe here, green and red here. And the leather of this material is genuine leather, real leather, very good material, real leather. And when you press it, you can feel it is very comfortable and soft. And on the pocket of this, yeah, we found a zipper. You see, this is the zipper on the pocket, front pocket, and this is the zipper. Okay, Gucci on the zipper. So now I will show you the side of this bag. This is the side here. This is the pull back strap here. Okay, and the back of this bag is mesh material, very soft mesh material here. Okay, mesh material, and this is the adjustable Gucci strap. This is the Gucci adjustable strap. Okay, and here buckle. This is the buckle, vintage buckle here. Okay, very nice bag here. And this the big zipper here. This is the big zipper here. Now let me show you the inside of this bag. Okay, this is the inside canvas material here. Okay, and these two little pocket here, and this part we also got inside interior pocket with the zipper here with the zipper here, and this part we have Gucci made in Italy. The other side we got item number 547834. This is the item number of this bag here. Okay, so check the details. Okay, so this is all I want to show you about this Gucci bag. Very good material, also very good design. So thank you for watching my video about this bag. Okay, if you like it, or if you have more questions about this bag, you can just contact Nancy. Contact my WhatsApp here to talk to me directly. Thank you.